Hey everybody, so for today I figured I had a little bit of time here. I'd just grab a couple of things off the floor that are next to the door here, and yeah, there's a pile of boxes there, boxes like this and stuff, and I figured that I would grab this one. We got this little one on top, and I'd fiddle around with this. I don't know, these things have been sitting there for like a week, so still got the rubber bands around them. So there's a post puts these rubber bands around the boxes sometimes. So I figured we would, and I don't know why in the world I got this thing. Maybe it was cheap, because sometimes you see stuff like this on eBay and it's just really cheap and you're like, you know what, the hell with it. It has $139.99 written on it, so it's interesting. So just get this guy open if I can, and well, I can certainly get it open, but where it's all taped all around. So I don't know anything about this radio. I don't remember what it had, didn't have, worked, didn't work. I don't actually know anything. I'd have to like go to my eBay list and see if I could track down what its issue was. So we got in here a microphone. I mean, maybe the bloody thing is new. I don't think that microphone has ever been taken out of that. Maybe the blasted thing's new and I've got a new radio here. And I'm looking at a new radio and it's like it was a new radio that was on the cheap, and I just decided to... I don't think this bloody thing's ever been taken out of the box. Okay. I mean, maybe it has. The plastic looks all crinkly, so it looks like maybe it's just been packed. Now, it's definitely been taken out of the box. And it may have been screwdrivered, so, okay. Now we're starting to look like we're getting somewhere. Because I want something that I have to play with. I don't want something that works. Now, this is a little itty-bitty thing. 145 by, including the knobs, 168, 69. So it's a little guy. That screw in the back is a little tiny one. That's right. This is like Dave Jones. Don't turn it on, take it apart. Because I don't really want to... I'm not going to break it. At least I hope. That'd be the funny thing, caught on camera. As soon as I get this open, I go and slip with a screwdriver and jab it. Jeez. See, there you go. Jab it right through the board or something like that. And it's like, okay. Don't turn it on, take it apart, and break it. So, let's see what's inside of this screwdriver radio. Nothing rattling around. Okay. So, Maycom. Oh, we got a little battery in here that looks like it may have leaked too. A battery and a bloody CB. Okay. A Varta 3.6 volt. These things are in test equipment a lot, and they leak, and they cause nothing but issues. And that one looks like it has leaked. So that's probably what's wrong with this radio. Microcontroller on the front. If I didn't know any better, basically looking at the font and the writing on that chip, even though there's no manufacturer's marking on it, that's going to be a Mitsubishi. I think that's going to be a Mitsubishi part. Let's see. April the 28th, 97 revision from Maycom. So, yeah. Oh, we got some some nasty stuff on the speaker there. With the speaker. That speaker might be seized up. Huh. No, it moves. It's moving. Okay. So, yeah, I think we do have a radio with an issue. I guess we can just plug it in real quick and turn it on. The power supply is on. There's a power button. Oh, we got no display. Fancy that. We got a backlight, but there's no actual display. And how much do you want to bet that Varta battery has something to do with it? And I didn't even turn on my bloody soldering iron. So, I wonder what this little bodge board here is. We got a some instructions here for this thing. It's official. It says Maycom, you know, Maycom Company Limited, so on and so forth. It tells you on the silkscreen Q901 base by front. Okay. Pin 8 of IC202, pin 12 of IC201, Q203 base, and it gives you the color of the wire: white, red, green, and yellow. Which we have a white, a red, a green, and a yellow wire. So, yeah, it's some kind of a modification. We got a pot and a cap and some other things. So, I'm not sure what the deal is with that. 2C2078 output transistor. Nothing really too interesting in here. It doesn't look like it's been screwdrivered. Well, it looks like it's been taken apart. But I don't see any of the controls have been just fully rotated in one direction or another. But that's even more interesting, actually. Now that I see it, it doesn't turn off. Well, the backlight doesn't go out, let's put it that way. Let's get this speaker off. Before I do break it, even though I don't think it works. That board just looks iffy. So I just need to get this off. It looks like the board is bowed in the middle. Like there's some pressure being applied from the top side of the board. So it looks bowed. So I'm wondering if this radio had a problem and somebody stuffed something behind it to put pressure on it, and then it worked, and it worked for a while, and then the thing probably bounced out like a spring or something. Nope. Jeez, it doesn't want to come off. Whoa. Well, that would be why it's bowed. I think we found our bowing culprit, but look at that. Oh, buddy. Yes. Let's get some zoom into that. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's the Varta battery. That's the Varta battery. That's why it doesn't work. I would be willing to bet that's why it doesn't work. Oh, the camera turned on its light. Good grief. It's bright, too. It's aiming right down in my bloody face. So let's zoom this thing out. So maybe it goes out. There it goes. So, yeah. That's quite interesting. And this is a multi-layered... I don't think it's a double-sided board, so it's not like it's going to be impossible to fix. But that bowing is now gone because the pressure has been relieved from this foam. This foam block appears to have been the culprit for the bowing of the board. I mean, it was bowing in there, and it looks like there's just simply too much of it. I wonder what this would have been this transistor. We got a little one in here, but I wonder what it would have been, because we have a position to mount another one there. Yeah, so it's a Cherokee model CM10, and it's got Maycom all over it, because that's obviously who made it for them. Maycom. I know there was some other radios that were made by Maxon and so on and so forth. We got, I mean, it's an interesting little radio, but that's probably about it. So I'm going to give it a go, see if I can't fix it, and that's basically it. So I'll you know, get some stuff together to get ready to clean this guy up. So anyways, that'll be the next part, is actually fixing this, taking this Vara battery out, cleaning this board up, finding out how badly damaged the board is, because it looks like on this side looks just rooted. It's probably going to be, and I think this side's even just as bad. It's going to be a restoration project. So I'll give it a go. What the hell? So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Till next time. Well, until the next part. Catch you later.